Welcome to Noem.ai. Today I'll be showcasing the power of Noem agents and their advanced features. Noem AI goes far beyond a basic AI chat. Our agents are equipped to produce tangible results autonomously, which means more high-quality work done with less time from you. Let's use Comforts, an online clothing company, as our example. We're launching a new product line called Eco Luxe Athleisure. Core feature, image generation, and file integration. Hey Lori, create different logos for the new product line. As you can see, Lori is already imagining unique and stylish logos for our new product line. Core feature, social media posting. Let's move to Paul, our PAS copywriter. Hey Paul, create a post for our Facebook page announcing our new product. Thanks, Paul. I want to post this. Paul crafts a captivating post and can send it to all my social media accounts. Core feature, scheduling jobs. Now let's create product descriptions for our Shopify store. Hey Pete, create product descriptions for the following items: performance leggings, sports gear, hoodies, joggers, and tank tops. Perfect. Thanks, Pete. Pete provides descriptive and engaging product details for our store. Core feature, file creation. Now I need to create a PowerPoint presentation about my product line. Hey Palila, please gather all the logo designs Lori created and prepare a PowerPoint presentation with them explaining our eco-friendly focus. Palila compiles all the designs into a professional and engaging presentation. Core feature, upload and analyze file. Now I need to analyze this new candidate's application waiting in my inbox. Hi, Rosie. I'm considering this candidate for the marketing manager position at Comforts. Could you analyze her resume and provide me with your insights? Rosie provides detailed analysis to help us make informed hiring decisions. Core feature, scheduling posting. I think I need more candidates to apply for our store manager position. Jonas, create a job description for our new store manager. Post this job on our LinkedIn page next Monday. Jonas ensures the posting is timely and accurate. Core feature, scheduling jobs. Hey Pete, create new product headlines for the Eco Luxe's performance leggings, sports gear, hoodies, joggers, and tank tops. Email them to me weekly every Monday. Pete automates weekly product updates effortlessly. With Noem.ai, I transform days of work into just minutes, saving me hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars monthly. These are just a few of the capabilities that Noem.ai provides. Join today and see what Noem.ai can do for you. Welcome to Noem.ai, your AI workforce. Let me show you how easy it is to use Agent Noems to knock out daily tasks that used to take days in just a few minutes, saving you thousands of dollars. I went ahead and created a company profile and a team of Noem agents. Let's start with Brenda. Hello, Brenda. Analyze my company competitors, create a brand strategy for my company, make a PDF with it, and send it to my email. Also, tell Palila to create a PowerPoint presentation with the brand strategy. She's now analyzing my company information and creating a brand strategy. While she's at it, let's move on to Victor. Hey, Victor, search the internet for trending topics about my company, link it to my brand, and create a video for me. He's searching the internet for trending topics related to my company. Now, let's go to Frank. Hello, Frank. Go ask Brenda about the brand strategy she created, and using that, create 2 Facebook ads for me. While he does that, let's check on Bob. Hey, Bob, go ask Victor what is the topic of the video he is creating and create a blog about it. Add images and send it to my email both as a PDF and in WXR WordPress format. As you see, I can seamlessly switch between tasks without having to wait for each agent to finish. I can even schedule repeating tasks, like having Bob create a new blog post every week. Now that all my agent Noems have finished their tasks in just a few minutes, you can see my email is full of their results, our branding strategy, video ads, and blog post. I can even reply back to the email to provide feedback or request changes. I just saved days worth of work in a few minutes. These are just a few functions of many more capabilities that Noem.ai provides. Join today and see what Noem.ai can do for you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.